Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into creating custom dashboards in Asana. The first step is to navigate to the Dashboard tab, which is located in the left-hand sidebar of your Asana homepage. This is your command center where you can monitor all your projects and tasks. Now that we've done that, click on Create Dashboard. This helps us because it allows us to start with a blank canvas and customize our dashboard according to our unique needs. Next up, you'll see a variety of widgets on the right side. Drag and drop the ones that you find useful. The reason we do this is to personalize our dashboard with the information we need at our fingertips. Let me explain why this matters. Widgets can display project progress, task lists, timelines, and even charts. They help you visualize the data, making it easier to manage your projects. Moving on, once you've added your widgets, you can further customize them by clicking on the Settings icon. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're setting parameters for each widget, like defining which projects to include or what type of tasks to display. Now, your custom dashboard is almost ready. The last step is to name your dashboard. Click Save, and voila, your custom dashboard is ready to use. This is important because naming your dashboard makes it easily identifiable, especially when you have multiple dashboards. So there you have it. Creating custom dashboards in Asana is as easy as that. Remember, a well-crafted dashboard can be a game changer in managing your projects effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep organizing.